Hey, good morning, family. How are we doing, guys? Let's go over EOS. Guys, I don't cover EOS enough. It's just thinking about this morning. EOS is our number one holding, 18.73%. Count is only down about 10% this morning. Absolutely amazing. Those of you guys who are joining us in our risk management, we are doing very well because we just use good risk management. So if you guys are looking for somewhere to trade where you use good risk management and we have healthy accounts, come and join us. We are currently sitting at 110 wins and 0 losses. We've actually never lost a single trade, and it's all documented here on Telegram with timestamps of everything, guys. Like, here's an example. Here's when we get into our buy limits. Here's when I call exits. Here's where the stop loss is. Everything is so well documented, and there's a YouTube video to these as well that I think you guys are going to like, just the transparency we have here. So we literally have gone 110 wins for 0 losses, and we're about to keep it quiet. We're about to win our 111th trade on Avalanche again, by the way. And we're about to win a Matic trade as well as a Mana. So Matic, sneak peek, we're about to win that trade. Mana, about to win that trade at break even. And Avalanche, about to win that trade, which is literally almost at break even right now. So guys, those are the next 3 wins we're looking at taking. So I just want to give you guys an update on that. So if you guys are looking to trade with us, now is a very, very good time to snag our membership. No two ways about it, guys. Just gonna be honest. All right, what is EOS doing, and are we gonna get a 40% breakout here? I think you guys need to be seeing this pattern right here. I know a lot of us in EOS are like, is this thing ever gonna go back up? So let's take a look at the indicators and the metrics this morning, because I want to show this to you guys. We'll take a look at long for short trades, which honestly are actually bullish. The market cap strength is not looking good. We'll go over that. Well, institutional smart money, not looking too good for bullishness, but let's give ourselves a full analysis here before we just make some conclusions. Okay, take a look at this guy. Overall, retail traders, what are their indicators looking like? Majority are bearish. Stochastic, MACD, 100, 200 moving average, they're bearish. So guys, I wouldn't doubt if we see selling pressure move into the market from this descending resistance. This is what it's called, a descending resistance line. And as we hit this up here, we've hit it here, we've hit it here. You know, other places where we've come up to this area, we've moved down, honestly, pretty nicely. So it would kind of be arrogant of me to be like, oh, we're just going to blast up here like really fast. No, I don't. That's not true. Like, look at the data. Like, the data here shows us, looking at price response, money flow, and trend exhaustion. Like, look at what happens when trend exhaustion pushes into the top red section. Well, money flow high, you will see drops back down in the market. It's how it called this crash over here, guys. And that was before Russia declared war on Ukraine, okay? Then we see this move up here to the top red section. We see well money flow pushing up as well, guys. And we're already seeing the market move down a little bit here. Previous time before that, guys, trend exhaustion in top red sections with well money flow high, this market is going to see a correction. This is how our traders actually scalp this market. They wait for the trend exhaustion to be in the top red section. They wait for well money flow to be high, and they take 3 to 4% out of the market. Then you guys are like, okay, well, I don't short. Oh, that's totally fine. Like, come down here when the trend exhaustion is in the bottom red section, wait for well money flow to be low, and you didn't get down over here. The signal went off over here, and you guys could have made money on the way up. Let me show you guys that you guys are definitely able to make 3 to 4% on these moves. So this is about a 10.12% move from not even the low. That's over here on the left side, moving up here. So guys, I have a masterclass scalping video coming out today. It's part of the membership. I'll show you guys how to access that later, but don't miss that. You guys will start making some good money. Okay, let's take a look. Actually, I want to show. I want to just be honest about this. Those of you guys who are looking at scalping and you got in over here around this area, you're sitting basically at break even. Yeah, you guys are holding this. I will show you how to use good risk management in case it goes against you. A lot of scalping strategies out there, if I can just take a second to say this, majority, like 90% of them solidly, the number one thing that scalping strategies lack is risk management. Most people like to get in there like, oh, we got to get into the bottom prices and make money real fast. Yeah, that's the goal. But I'll teach you guys in that masterclass today how to actually trade scalping with good risk management. So if you guys enter in when trend exhaustion is low, well money flow is low, and let's just be really honest as a family here, you guys got in right here, you're sitting at break even. What do you do if the market goes against you? I'll show you guys how to actually drop your entry down here automatically with buy limits, and then you guys actually already took profit on this because you made 3 to 4%. So good job. You guys all won the trade. But like, I'll show you how to stay safe with that. Just get these 2 indicators, these 3 in the description with the bundle pack. You guys will be good. All right, let's move over here. I'll just explain this real quick, and then we'll dive into the metrics. $95 a month, guys. We keep our membership super clean, super simple. There's nothing more to this. All the metrics you guys get, we're about to go over. The masterclass access to all the videos you guys will access today. Watch that scalping video. Telegram access as well, as we're going to go live here on Zoom March 10th, 3 to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, talking about the markets as a family here, and also doing an open Q&A session. So don't miss that, guys. It'll be super fun. So guys, in the description, snag this. That's where you guys can access all of our data, and that's how we've never lost a trade if you want to trade with us. Okay, crypto charts. Let's go over here. Let's scroll down to EOS at the bottom, EOS IO, officially the name. And let's take a look at this, guys. So we're sitting here, emotional index. We're in the neutral section. Okay, well, this is not too bad. We're not down here in the fearful, anxious section. When we were, I'll be honest, guys, that was the time to buy. Here's a little sneak peek in the masterclass. If you guys see the anxiety or fearfulness emotions take over in the market, and you look over here and our trend exhaustion is low and well money flow is at least moving back down here a little bit, this is where you guys want to get in the market. I'm going to show you guys so much confirmation to enter these scalping trades that it's going to be very hard to lose. I know this is going to be hard to lose because the same principles I use to have never lost a trade, I will put this into scalping for you guys. So that's just, I know I'm pumping it up a lot, but like you guys have been requesting the scalping strategy, so I'm going to give it to you guys today. So there you guys go. If you're brand new to the channel and you're like, who's this crazy guy? Just subscribe. You guys will understand later. Okay, long versus short trades over here. Honestly, guys, this is a bullish sign for EOS. I like to see short trades moving out of here on the blockchain for Bitfinex and short trades increasing because this shows me short trades are getting out of the way for a possible continuation up. Guys, we have not yet broken the descending resistance. If we do, I do believe our next target is going to be this descending resistance up here. Okay, let me give you guys proof instead of just saying that. I need to show you why, because there's proof of this. This descending resistance line I see up here, if we take this and we pull the top of that wick and we pull the top of this wick right there and we extend this out here, this is where I think our next, clearly this is our descending channel is what this is called. Our next push up is going to be around this area where I think we're going to get a really nice drop back down. Okay, a pretty nice drop. So all of you guys who entered in with me for EOS with the $49,000 I entered in the market, guys, we will do a ridiculous amount of money and we'll look to take profits around our break even. So I just want to let you guys be aware of that because I'm now seeing this on the charts. Let's go back to the 4-hour time frame real quick. That projection could actually give us a pump in the market here back up of about 40% is what I'm looking at. Now, guys, let's be real here. You can't go here and go straight up. That is absolutely ridiculous. No price goes straight up. You need to give it time to fluctuate. So I think realistically, we could see about 40% on this because you need to give it time to move up, move down, move up, move down. So I think around 40% increase. And I would say, honestly, I believe in the month of March, this is absolutely possible. So before April 1st, we could be seeing about a 40% pump here. Really good money for everybody who's in this trade. We will honestly, guys, we will make probably about close to $10,000 to $15,000 if that goes up to that area, which will be really cool. All right, let's move down, give ourselves more data. Let's just be honest, as a family here, guys, the market cap for EOS does not look good. It's not looking good. The market cap is simply, let me translate this. This is what it means. Money is moving out of EOS and it's going to other altcoins. Simply, that's what it means. You cannot have the green line going down without money flowing out of it and going to other altcoins. What does this show? This shows a decreased interest in EOS. I know about blockone, guys. I know about the exchange that they're releasing. They're trying to get regulated to get on the New York Stock Exchange so they can release it to the U.S. public. When that happens, it's going to be bullish news. I still believe this is one of the craziest sleeper coins we will see. And guys, I'm just going to be patient. When EOS explodes, you guys can be like, wow, we got in at the rock bottom prices. I know Journey Crypto. I don't know the guy personally. I got to reach out to him to see if we can do a collaboration. I love the dude. I think Journey Crypto is amazing, by the way, guys. I know there's a bunch of YouTubers out there. He's cool. I like him. So Journey, if you're watching this, shout out to you, man. I think your channel is amazing. So and the reason why I say that is he actually has done videos about him buying into it, dollar cost averaging, like what we're doing here, and he's been talking about it. Hardly anybody talks about EOS on YouTube anymore, and I think this is one of those sleeper coins where it's almost like a Dogecoin moment where nobody's looking at this, and it's just gonna explode overnight. I really do feel that, guys. It's my #1 coin holding, so if you guys see my account like shoot up $30,000 to $40,000 overnight, it will most likely be because of EOS or Cardano, because I think both of those are primed for a ridiculous explosion. And then we've got Dogecoin sitting at #3. I'm biased about this, guys, but I think this setup here is absolutely primed for an explosion on these 3 coins. Oh my gosh, just keep watching. All right, let's move down here. Let's get you guys into a trade setup. You want to do that? Trades in favor. We're sitting in here, the neutral section. Guys, another little tip, a little segment into the masterclass today. When you guys see the trades in favor push down to good long trade or great long trade, and then you look over here, trend exhaustion low, well money flow low, guys, looking to get into those lower spots to scalp the market, that's what you guys are doing as well. So giving you guys little tidbits of how to use these metrics. Sorry, I had a little bit of hair on the microphone. All right, well, institutional smart money here. Let's pay attention to this. When retail traders are getting very anxious and fearful on the market, institutions are going to come buy you guys up, okay? There's a reason why some of you guys are sitting on your computers right now over the last year and you say, there is somebody on the other side of the computer and I know for a fact they're trading against me. There's a camera that watches me every single trade I take, and the market always trades against me. No, there's no one on the other side of the computer. It's just that you're trading emotionally. And I'm not trying to be rude about this. You are trading emotionally. It's because you're getting in when market movements are already going up, and then wealth institutions are shorting you, and so they're always going against you. Guys, we've never lost a trade. We understand how retail traders trade. I coded this emotional index myself to look at, like, I've had membership with Glassnode, CryptoQuant, Sentiment, Wellmap. Like, I know them all out there, okay? I believe this is the absolute best one, better than the CNN Greed and Fear Index, by the way, by far, honestly, because this actually shows past data, and that basically just shows you a ticker meter, which I don't think is, whatever. I'm not going to go into that. I don't want to bash them. It's great. It's great for what it does. I want to move down here. Just let's stay focused here. When retail traders are getting more excited in the market, and we see institutions come out here and short this is where I'm expecting moves back down. So guys, if EOS moves back down here, and I'm looking at structure low here of about 207, let's move down here so we can actually look at these. 207 puts us right around this area. That's not an unrealistic expectation. Like, it's actually going to be healthy, guys, if we move back down and then we start seeing a pump up. Why? Because people who are coming out here with short trades are going to say, oh, we're in the profit, put their stop losses right here. And then when the market does head back up, they're going to hit their stop losses on short trades. It's going to squeeze them out of their short trades. Then the market's going to go up with long traders. So long traders and short traders are going to be going long at the same time. Structure high is going to be hit, and that's where we're going to move up to this possible 40% profit here. The next target I'm looking for, guys, for those of you guys who are in trades, it's looking at this target right here, which is about a 21% increase of 275. I know it says 277. 275 is a quarters theory level that I think we're going to stop to before we go back down. I hope you guys are getting a lot out of this video. If you guys like this, subscribe to the YouTube channel. It would mean the world to me. Okay, guys? Go over 2 more metrics here, and I'll show you guys how to get into an EOS trade. Because honestly, guys, I think EOS has ridiculous potential, and more people are starting to talk about it on YouTube. I'm seeing more people talk about it, so it's picking up interest. Dollar cost average entries here for you guys. Those of you guys who have like $10,000 want to throw $1,000 into each one of these green lines, you know, you're doing awesome. Like, just wait for this thing to go back up. You guys will make so much money. It's kind of ridiculous. Exit points, once the market goes back up here, I'm looking for this to come out to call an exit before we see a move back down. Now, I'm going to wait until we're in the profit, obviously, until we break above 343. But until then, guys, we're just going to start making money all the way up. So here's a question that I'm going to get, and then I'll go right into trade setup, I promise. But you need to understand this. How in the world is our account only down 10%, but this trade is down 34%? One thing, diversification. That's it, guys. It's diversification, and it's keeping money on the sidelines to put money back in. All of you guys work jobs, and you get paid at least once a month, right? Everybody does who work jobs. Some of you guys get paid once a week, every 2 weeks. What about taking some of that money you make every 2 weeks? Not a financial advisor. But what if you took 10% of everything you made and then entered them into our buy limits and our strategy as the market dips down? That would give you guys better entries as the market's going down. And not only are you dollar cost average entering with your money, but when you enter your money, you're using 4 different buy limits. So your risk management is just absolutely on point. You will have the healthiest account. We have the healthiest account I can find on all of YouTube. Like, better than Big Boy, better than all that. Not trying to like do some competition weird thing here, but literally we have the healthiest account. It's only down 10% when most people are still down around 50 to 60%. Look at your guys' own accounts. Most of you are easily down below 30% in your accounts. If you're down less than anything like 15 or better, you're doing super, super good. So I'll teach you guys how to trade that way, and let's just dive in. You guys don't know how to trade that way? Let's do this. Come down here to the bottom where it says EOS, today's trade setup. I won't show this because I want to keep it private for our members, but I'll show you exactly how to trade this because it's going to be the same chart. It's just going to be different price action. Go to Bitcoin charts, scroll down to the bottom, and let's take a look at this. Here's the video if you guys want to watch this. Here's how you guys trade this. Here's how we've never lost a trade. Let's keep EOS in view here. You're going to have 4 different buy limits like this. Okay, let me just go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kind of give us a view here. What you're going to do is choose the amount that you want to enter this trade with. Let's say it's $1,000. Split this $1,000 into 4 equal portions of 250 each. Great. Place 250 at each of the buy limits. Obviously, these are not the buy limits. They'll be labeled on the chart for EOS. Once the first buy limit gets hit, set a sell limit up at the green line. So let's say the sell limit I have up here. Once this first buy limit gets hit, set up a sell limit right here. If the market goes down, guys, all of your other buy limits are going to protect you. And that's why we have the healthiest account in this bear market, is because of the buy limits. Now, once you guys have that set up here, follow me in the Telegram channel and just click this link right here. Sign in on your phone or your computer first. I also have it in the top menu bar. click the Telegram channel. It'll give you guys a hot link over in here to where I'm calling all the exits for you guys, as well as all of the times I get into the market. Like literally, I told you guys right here. Hey guys, the Avalanche trade is officially closed. Great job, everybody, on this trade. I'm entering back into Avalanche with the buy limits on the website at 8 a.m. Here's the link. Everything is so ridiculously easy to follow. If you're just in the Telegram channel, you can't miss anything. Everything is called. And guys, by the way, when I come out here and like I say, hey, we're entering into the buy limits, just get in at that moment. Anyways, I'll go into another video. I don't want to get too deep in that. Follow the Telegram channel. You can literally copy me exactly what I'm doing, and we've never lost a trade. Okay, real quick, guys, let me talk to you guys about this. The masterclass, you guys can access them right here. Sorry, I keep having that pop up. I don't really know what happens. I think I accidentally clicked menu. Masterclass videos are here. This will give you guys access. You guys watch a bunch of these masterclasses. Today, I will be releasing this, how to scalp with our metrics and indicators. Speaking of indicators, you guys do need these in order to scalp and trade our strategy. So let's go to indicators. Indicator sale, we've got 82% off all of our indicators today, so make sure you guys snag this in the description. You guys will get all 9 of our indicators. It is the best deal online. It really is, guys. We have the number one selling product on all of Gumroad.com, our partner website, for trading, education, Bitcoin, crypto, and indicators. It may be the actual number one highest selling product ever on Gumroad. The reason for that is we know it's so ridiculously discounted, and we're making people tens of thousands of dollars with these indicators. Maybe if I have some time, I'll go over the testimonials at the end of this video. But like, these are the 3 you want to copy my charts: trend exhaustion, trend dashboard, price flow, money flow. Boom, boom, boom. You guys see them right here. In the description, I show you guys where to get this. Click that. You get it for life. It's not a monthly purchase. Pay for it once. You get the source code as well. Do you guys want to see, you guys can end this video right now. Please end it. That's totally fine. Do you want to take a look at some testimonials? I think this is fun. This guy over here, he's like, let me know what you think. I have been trading with you since 10/21. And I've earned approximately 20%. Great job, guys. I'm ready for the big lead. So this is awesome. Warmest regards. May God bless you all. Awesome. Great job, man. Great job. This guy, Travis, I made $4,000 plus in 24 hours on the outlay of $20 just using the indicators. Guys, people use our indicators and make ridiculous money in the markets. There's $4,000 right there for you guys. Let me just read this here. I'm not really sure what it says. A month and a half in, playing with the small number, but in 1.5 months, I'm up $2,000 before fees, even with the market crash. Awesome. People are seeing the market crash and they're up $2,000. Guys, this is pretty awesome. I joined the last mana trade. First buy limit was hit at 308, sold at 336 when Travis called the exit yesterday. Just like clockwork, the price dropped shortly after his call. Thank you for everything you do. Excited for this. Awesome, man. Good job. This guy, he made $12,000 in the bear market with our indicators and system, and his friends are down about 65%. So pretty awesome. There's just more stuff in here. It's cool to come in here and read these sometime. Sold at 283, made 8%. Went back in on 88. Great job, man. That's awesome. Since I subscribed, I've won 6 trades and currently have 8 positions open. Not a single trader who's ever traded with us has ever lost a trade. Keep it up, Travis. Love how safe your strategy is in the long term. I'm now trading with confidence. Sweet. That is super awesome. Madonna, super awesome. Thanks for sharing that with us. People, buy the indicators and listen to Travis at the end. We'll leave it with that. I think it's kind of fun. Anyways, guys, come here and look at the testimonials. We have so many testimonials on here. It's kind of ridiculous what people are able to do. This guy's here. Thanks for the update. Made $4,000 this morning alone. That's pretty cool. And let's see what's down here. I don't know, guys. You can end the video. I just want to geek out here for a second because we haven't looked at these for a while. I've made $2,000 in 2 days. $28,000 to $30,000. Very safe trades. Guys, we do literally keep people super safe in the market when they're making these profits here. So it's just pretty cool. I was gonna see if I can find another one here. It's cool to watch this. What is this guy? Doing really well on my 88 trades. I picked up 88 last night at 2.06 and then again at different, up about $5,000 over the last week. That is super awesome. My portfolio is all green despite the dip. The metrics rock. I listened to your advice, bought the bundle pack in 24 hours. I made $1,280 in 24 hours. Sweet, guys. All right, I'm done. We'll leave with that. I honestly, I know it's like a little selfish. I kind of just wanted to see them myself. But guys, the pricing over here, come in here, snag our membership. $95 a month is the cheapest membership you guys will find. We hold the highest win rate. And as a family, guys, we geek out here. We laugh. We have a lot of fun. Join us on our live Zoom call, literally this month. It's literally 8 days away. March 10th, we are going live on Zoom as a family, and we're going to be talking about the markets, and we're going to be opening this up to you guys. We're going to open this up to the first 500 people, so make sure you guys get in there soon. We don't know how many people are going to subscribe. The next one we do, we can definitely up it, but we're going to try to up this as high as we can on Zoom, so everybody can can join. So make sure you guys are watching that. All right, guys, video's long enough. EOS, guys, huge potential in the markets here. Just make sure you guys are staying patient, get the indicators, watch the masterclass scalping video I have coming out today, get your membership. That's it. Bada boom, bada bing. Have an amazing day, guys. God bless you so much. All the links you guys need to click are in the description. Snag our membership, and you guys will be good to go. Let's do this, family. Let's go for 120 wins in the month of March. Let's see if we can do it. I believe we can. All right, we'll see you guys. Bye.